Today, I want to talk about three different grading metrics that are utilized in the Courseware platform. The first of these is our current grade. This is the grade that the student has earned for all of the work that they have completed and that has been scored to date. We typically refer to this as our quality of work grade. The second is our on-target grade. This is again the grade the student has earned for all the work that they've completed and has been graded so far, but it is adjusted for any incomplete activities that should have been completed by today's date. We consider this to be more of a course progress grade. The last is our course grade, and this is the final grade the student would earn if no additional work is completed. That's why we often refer to this as our if the course ended today grade. Now, these by definition are understandable, but let's take a look at them graphically just to get them to make a little bit more sense. Here we have a typical courseware gradebook. You see the start of the course date, you see today's date marked in the middle, and then the end of course. This course has 35 different activities in total. But let's focus first on that current grade. As we said, this is the grade that the student has earned for the work completed, and that has been scored up until today's date. So in this case, we can see that the student has completed 5 assignments, all very well done at 100%. If we calculate that grade, 5 times 100 gives us 500, divided by those 5 assignments that have been completed, that gives us our current grade of 100%. Next, we talk about the on-target grade. We now have to take into account where today's date is. So as of today's date, with pacing enabled, the student should have completed 10 assignments. However, they completed those same 5 assignments for a total of 500%. But now that denominator covers the 10 assignments that should have been completed by today. So that 500 divided by 10 gives us a current on-target grade of 50%. The last takes into account all 35 activities in this course. So again, the student has completed those 5 assignments, 100% apiece, for a total of 500%, but now it is divided over the total 35 assignments in that course, which gives them now a much lower course grade of 14.29%. Hopefully that helps you to understand the difference between the 3 different grading metrics utilized in the Courseware platform.